Hey guys, we're going to take a house plant, and I've never done this before, but I got told since mine was growing so long that I could take this and make more plants. So that's what we're going to do. Alright, we're going to come up here, and I'm going to go right here below this leaf, and I'm going to cut. That way, we got this great big long piece here that we can make a whole bunch more, okay? Now, this one, I want to keep it, so I'm just going to basically turn it back in to my pot here and kind of let it get a little bit bigger. And this one, just kind of make it look more full in here. Alright, because I want this one to be more fuller, so I'm gonna put this one back in the window, and you guys see that there is no hanging leaves from this plant. I'm gonna hang it back up in the window since it loves the light there. And I'm going to show you guys what we're going to do. Okay. I was told everywhere where there is a leaf, you see right here, I can clip there and here, and we can make more plants. So let's do this. We're going to clip here, because there's a root trying to come out right there. So this is going to be one plant. And you want to make sure that you clip off the little stem part that's in between, because you're really not going to need that. You basically are looking for that. Okay? And that's a plant. Alright. So the stems we're not going to need. And then we got another plant. That way, when we start our plant, we can make it as full as we want. And it'll be another house plant. See? And then I'll show you guys what we do. I never tried this. I had a lady took and told me how to do this. And that lady is my mama. So we're going to have a lot of clippings here. And see how I like right there. Now this right here, you don't want to keep the stem. Okay, we're going to disregard all that. We're going to throw that in the trash. Now, you need to get some water. And we're going to place these in our container. Just go around, make sure that it's in the water. And we're going to come back in about 3 weeks is what I got told. And this jar should be full of roots. Now, if the water kind of gets a little cloudy once a week, change your water. You can change it 2 times a week if you want to. And we're just filling this little jar up You want to put it not directly in the sun. That's what I got told. So, we're going to take this little jar and we're going to put it by the sink in the kitchen. And you want to keep the temperature above 68 degrees when you are doing this, because you do not want your roots to get cold. So I will come back and do a part 2 video and show you guys when we transplant them and put them in pots. This will be one pot for me. That'll be another plant that I put in my house, and I will put it in a hanging pot. And I'm wanting a lot of house plants, and this is one way to take and do it without spending a lot of money. Alright guys, love you. If you like these kind of videos like this, learning how to take your house plants and make more plants, let me know down in the description. And please guys, share it out. And thank you.